My name is Bridget Batch. I hail from Austin, Texas. I have been a full-time nomad for about 2 years now. I live in a fifth wheel full-time. The first year I had my RV, I went to the Austin RV Expo, and Terry Cooper, who is here at the NRVTA, he came and he did a really great seminar. It was so informative and I learned so much, and it just really made me want to look into the school as a whole. I came to the NRVTA because I really wanted to learn how to work on my own rig. I've done a couple things here and there, but I think ultimately I want to be an RV technician. The hands-on that I've gotten since I've been here has been amazing. Like, I've got to get my hands on air conditioners. We're going to get our hands on refrigerators. You would never learn this or safely be able to do this if you were doing it on your own. So I feel so much more comfortable working with a clamp meter and stuff like that now that I have the instructors behind me to show me the right way to do things. It's been amazing. This was not something that came natural to me outside of my own rig, but I came here and I feel very confident in the ability to work on my own RV now, and with a little bit more practice, start working on other people's RVs as well. You're gonna have no better opportunity to change over and feel comfortable with the change than coming here and getting your hands on this stuff and really being able to make sure that you know what you know before you go out there and work on your own rig or work on someone else's.